Hello, Harley from Knowlton North. In case you can't hear, we're getting another rain shower at the lake. Haven't had enough of these this summer. I'd like $1 for $1 every time I hauled that furniture in and out to keep it dry. I mean, it's sorta nice. Kind of comforting, hear the rain on the tin roof of the deck and the camper, but the Beagle doesn't care for that thunder and lightning. Raining hard and the sun's half out. I guess it does have a certain beauty to it. Guess will help some of the water the trees that we planted last week. We have had 4 or 5 days in a row of good weather, so we deserve another rain shower. Alright, I'm going in with the Beagle. He's a little stressed. Home away from home. Enjoy the outdoors.